Before driving through any intersection, every driver should understand one important rule: right-of-way. Right-of-way simply means giving priority to another driver, pedestrian, or road user in certain situations. Right-of-way determines who should move first and who should wait. Understanding these rules helps traffic flow smoothly and reduces confusion, close calls, and serious accidents. Whenever you approach an intersection, slow down, stay alert, and pay close attention to other vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and road signs around you. At a four-way stop intersection, the first vehicle to arrive is usually the first vehicle allowed to move. After coming to a complete stop, that driver may proceed carefully when the road is clear. If two vehicles arrive at the same time, the driver on the right usually has the right-of-way, while the driver on the left should wait until the other vehicle safely passes through the intersection. In case four vehicles arrive at the intersection at nearly the same time, the safest approach is for all drivers to remain calm, stop completely, and proceed carefully with patience and awareness. In most situations, drivers will move one at a time in a safe and organized manner. Never rush into the intersection or assume other drivers will automatically stop for you. If another driver signals or waves you through, move carefully and continue checking the intersection as you proceed. At stop signs, always come to a complete stop behind the stop line or before entering the crosswalk. Rolling through a stop sign can put pedestrians and other drivers in danger. At uncontrolled intersections where there are no stop signs or traffic lights, slow down and prepare to yield to vehicles already in the intersection or approaching closely. Pedestrians almost always have the right-of-way at crosswalks. Whenever someone is crossing the road, drivers should stop safely and allow them enough time to cross completely. When making a turn at an intersection, always give way to oncoming traffic and pedestrians before turning. Emergency vehicles such as ambulances, police cars, and fire trucks always have priority when their sirens or flashing lights are active. Safely move to the side of the road and allow them to pass. When entering a main road from a smaller road, parking lot, or driveway, drivers must yield to traffic already moving on the roadway. Roundabouts also follow right-of-way rules. Vehicles already circulating inside the roundabout have priority, while entering drivers must wait for a safe gap before joining. On highways and multi-lane roads, never force your vehicle into traffic. Signal early, check your mirrors and blind spots carefully, and merge only when there is enough space. One important thing every driver should remember is this: having the right-of-way does not mean driving aggressively. Even when the rules give you priority, always stay cautious and prepared for mistakes from other drivers. Before moving through any intersection, look left, right, and left again to make sure the road is completely clear. Safe driving is not only about knowing who goes first. It's about patience, awareness, and respecting everyone who shares the road.